Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your host Abilino Lino. For today's video, our project for today is we're going to make a headboard out of adhesive wallpaper, and at the same time we're going to make over this cluttered room. So if you are interested in this kind of video, please watch until the end. Thank you. So here is the room before we start the makeover. This is my brother's room, so I promised to him that I will make over to give a new look to his room, just like in a hotel room. So watch out. I started putting a adhesive wallpaper on the wall. I didn't paint the wall because the wall is still good condition. So I put first the wallpaper. I used 3 panels of a wallpaper about 7 feet long. Then I put also a 2 kinds of blue curtain. I'll put a floor length blue curtain, and I also changed the position of the television. I use wooden panel about 1.5 and a 2 inches and 7 feet long of a wooden panel to serve as a wooden frame of our wallpaper. And I start to cut it according to the measurement required to frame the wallpaper. I free hole the wall for the drilling, and then I screw it off. This wooden panel is a required for a border to our serve as a border to our wall, just like the one you saw. There is already a wooden border on our panel. And then I use a LED strip lights. So this LED strip lights is a battery operated, and it's with a remote control. So I put around the edge of this wooden panel, wooden frame. I stick it with a hot glue, and then now I'm preparing for a poster board to put the border wall art. I mean the art frame. I used the border adhesive wallpaper to give a frame to our headboard. I used kind of a wooden design, just like a laminated wood. This will be served as our frame of our headboard.
A few moments later.
Behind the entrance door, I'll put the console table together with an old biking wooden board. That's the before the position. You know, I'll put the television on top of it, and I place some decorative dogs figurines on the center table. I put a sofa, at least to give some space for relaxing, and with I place the sofa under the wall lamp, so at least if you want to read something, so he has a light. I'll put 2 kinds of a curtain. I'll make sure that the curtain is floor length. It gives also an illusion of a tall room. And here's the bed. Actually, this bed is a sofa bed. That's why if you notice the leg of the bed, this is a sofa bed. So here is our headboard with the strip LED lights. It's more of a just like a wooden theme room. I'll put some elements like a wood in this project. So that's a wooden beads curtains. I'll put his favorite collections. I use this baby crib headboard. That's wooden, and I colored blue so that it gives accent to the wall. That's our headboard. This is the entrance before. I'll put his favorite collection, the dogs, figurines, and the logs. You see the bedside table, it's a log from the tree, from the old tree. So I use it as a bedside table. The theme of this room is a mix of a modern and old European style. I'll put more on elements, wooden elements in this project. The lights is a modern. The styling is a modern, but the decorations and elements are some old items or old elements, just like the wooden log, the bedside lamp. The lights of the LED lights is give you a good mood. It's up to you. Which color do you want to use upon your resting in this room? So at least it gives different vibes. I hope you like this simple video. I hope you learned something. You get some ideas. And if you are new to my channel, please consider to like, share, and subscribe my channels. And hit the notification bell so that I will notify you whenever I have a new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Keep safe. Goodbye.